Chapter 3. Verbs expressing the past. A. Past tense. The past tense is used to express an action that has been completed. B. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to express a past habit. I learned painting when I was in school. I spent my time recklessly when I was in college. To express an action that was completed before the time of speaking. The dancers performed well. To express an action that took place over a period of time in the past. I worked in an organization from 2010 to 2012. I studied in college from 2020 to 2023. To narrate a story. There lived a mighty king in a huge palace. We used to play for long in school. C. Forms of simple past tense. Structure, subject plus second form or simple past form of the verb. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. It, did not eat, didn't eat. Did. I, we, you, she, he, it, they. Eat. D. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to express an action going on at some time in the past. She was knitting all evening on Sunday. Saroj was playing cricket in the morning. To express an action that was a habit in the past. The chef was always preparing delicious food for his clients before the restaurant closed down. The word always is used in such sentences to indicate an action which had started at some time but had not ended at the time when some other action took place. The lady was coughing when I entered the room. E. Forms of past continuous tense. Structure, subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Examples. I was listening to music when the bell rang. You were not sleeping when your aunt came. They were reading books in the library last evening. They weren't reading storybooks in class yesterday. Were they planning to go out yesterday? F. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action that was completed before another action took place. The boys had slept before Grandpa returned from the market. As the past form of the present perfect, especially in indirect speech. Neeta said, I have prepared pudding, direct speech. Neeta said that she had prepared pudding, indirect speech. To report a completed action in the past. Nikhil told me that he had won a prize. Pranjal had cracked the competition. G. Forms of past perfect tense. Structure, subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb. Examples. He had taken the newspaper. You had not taken the newspaper. They hadn't spoken to me. Had she spoken to you? Had I spoken to you? H. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to show an action that had been going on before another past action. The girl had been trying to make the model of a volcano before the teacher helped her. We had been helping the destitute before the teacher suggested us to show an action that was recently completed. Tendulkar had been playing for 2 hours before he was run out. I. Forms of past perfect continuous tense. Structure, subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Had they, had not, or hadn't been singing. Had. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Been singing. Examples. Had you been playing in the ground before it started raining? He had not been keeping well for a year. She had been meeting all the people before she contested the election. Had he been arranging for a get-together before he changed his plans? J. Difference between simple past and present perfect. We use the simple past tense to express an action which took place at some moment in the past and is not linked with the present. Example, I bought a mobile last month. If a part of the action is linked with the present, we express it in the present perfect tense. Example, I have bought a new mobile.